Hey guys, this is Durga. In today's video, we'll see how to use Airtable as a social media manager. Without any further delay, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is sign up with your Gmail to use Airtable. Once you finish your sign up, you could see the dashboard. In this dashboard, you can create workspace for your project. Basically, that helps you to see what project you're working on. If you want to create any workspace for your project, click the plus icon. You can share and collaborate with your workspace by clicking this share icon. I'll tell you guys about this section in a minute. Let's take a look at the workspace that I have. This is my September month workspace. I'm just working on these things right now. First, you can give a name and choose an appearance for your project. And you can choose whatever you want to be. If you want to access more colors, you have to upgrade. But right now I'm just using free version. As you can see, you can create a table for your project like this. If you want to create a table, press the plus icon and give a name for your table. If you have any data on any other platforms like Microsoft and Google, then you could easily transfer to Airtable by using this option. On the left side, you can see different kind of views, but default I have a grid view. You can use every view for your data. My favorite is Kanban view. If you want to make it personal or logged, you have to upgrade. Once you select the view, next thing you have to choose a field for your information. For example, if I choose status, it just gives me default to do, in progress and done. But if I choose assignee, it just shows me based on the assignee of the work. Okay, if you want to create any group field, you just click this plus icon and you can create. Let me show you how it's work. I create a subtask group for my YouTube channel, so I can create subtask for my each and every platform, so that will help me to organize my stuff. For example, if you want to create any status, just click and then give a name for that. You can give a color for your status based on your taste. Customize cards. It just shows you the details without clicking the record. You can see. So for example, if I click the status, it just shows you in progress. It just helps you to see the brief of the record without clicking on it. Next is filter. Of course, filter just helps you to filter your information, but status is a very efficient way to filter your information. For example, if I click the done, I haven't done yet, that's why it doesn't show you. But if I click the in progress, you can see what are the things I'm working on. You can create filters as you want. The next thing is short. Short just helps you line up your information based on the alphabetical order. If you want, then you could, but I think it's just similar to filter. Next thing is color. Of course, if you want more color, then you have to upgrade. Next, you can create a shareable link for your table, like a website, If you want to create a record, press the plus icon. First thing is you have to give a name. Second is status. You don't want to update every single time, because once you move to in progress or done, it just automatically updates itself. Then you don't need to update every single time. Every record has two types of fields. One is hidden and the other one is unhidden. If you want to hide anything from your team members or client, you could easily hide that. If you want to add anything on your table, press the plus icon. And you can easily add other field also. For example, if I add an attachment, if you want to add any photos on your table, you just choose attachment. It helps you to do that. But you have to change the name. By default, it just show you field 6 and 7 and something like that based on the numbers. Let's take a look at attachment, how you can add pictures on your table. First thing is upload from your device. Second is URL. You have a URL for your pictures, you just put it over there, and then so many options are there. You just use what's best for you. Next, the cool part of the record is you can see your record history on the right side. You can add comment on your record if you want to. If you're working with team, it just helps you a lot. So let's see what's inside in share. First, invite link. If any person doesn't have an Airtable, then you have to send a link. You can modify your link based on the person that you want to collaborate with your workspace. Basically, this feature helps you to save your workspace from any other persons. This is really great. I just told you guys what I know about Airtable. If you're a beginner to this software, don't worry, you'll learn along the process. If you like this video, give your support to my channel. This is a great way to support me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. We're gonna see how to use. We're gonna see. Come on, Durga. This is pretty much about it.